Ollama vs LM Studio. Which one should you choose? As large language models become more widely available for personal use, applications like Ollama and LM Studio have become go to platforms for running these models entirely offline on your own machine. So, both serve as a similar function, letting you run open source models without relying on cloud APIs, but they differ quite a bit in terms of user interface, performance focus, and usability. So let's start with Ollama. So Ollama is designed for speed, simplicity, and direct control. It operates through a command line interface CLI, allowing you to quickly download, launch, and interact with models like LLAMA, Mistral, and Gamma. Its main advantage is ease of setup and lightweight performance. It's incredibly efficient for running models even on modest hardware. You'll often see developers or power users gravitate towards Ollama for things like scripting, integrating into APIs, or doing quick local tests. Another key strength is its support for GGUF format and quantized models, which helps minimize memory use and boost speed. This makes it especially useful for those working with limited GPU or CPU power. Now, let's take a look at LM Studio. So, unlike Ollama, LM Studio is built around a graphical user interface, that is GUI, making it ideal for users who want a visual, hands on experience without needing to type commands. You can download, manage, and interact with local models using simple menus and toggles. Everything from chat interfaces to file organization is handled inside a clean, user friendly layout. LLM Studio also includes native support for OpenAI compatible APIs, making it easy to plug into platforms like AutoGPT or connect with custom built applications that rely on LLM backends. It's a great pick for casual users, educators, or anyone who prefers a visual tool over working in the terminal. So, while both tools support a wide range of open weight LLMs, they're designed for very different user types. Ollama focuses on performance, automation, and developer flexibility. LM Studio emphasizes ease of use, accessibility, and interactive design. So, if you love scripting, automating tasks, or working close to metal, Ollama gives you more control. On the flip side, if you're more comfortable clicking through menus, tweaking settings visually, or just want something that just works, LM Studio is the better pick. So, in the end, it comes to your technical comfort and how you prefer to work. So, both are regularly updated, support the latest models, and help you take full control of LLM capabilities on your own machine, all without relying on cloud providers. So, that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.